For my second idea generation was the IdeaToons, which is an activity that reorganizes information into not the normal, obvious arrangements of the information that people are used to. IdeaToons is pattern language, is a way to get ideas by using abstract symbols instead of words. I chose this activity because the group I am working with are more visual learners. So I wanted to use pattern language because it's a visual thinking technique. So first thing I did was I divided the challenge. We eliminate contamination from transferring materials into our production area. So that was our challenge. So what I did was I divided the challenge. I drew abstract symbols, as you can see here, and I'll show you the rest of them in a minute. We placed the cards on the table. We looked for ideas, forced relationships. We moved the cards around and added a couple different cards. Lessons learned out of this: as an idea agent, not every activity is going to work. Very hard to get them on track on this. Again, this was the first time I did it, the first time the group I had did it. It was hard to kind of get everybody on track. Keeping the group on track early. Again, that was another hard part of it from being the idea agent, is trying to keep people on track. And then once they were, and once they understood what the activity was, we had some. I knew the group coming in engagement, which was again, being with the idea agent, it's good knowing who you're going to get. So what we did in the first activity was false faces, which is negativity, and what we did was we used this activity to draw out the negativity and the assumptions. Once all that was done, the group was more engaged into this activity. Okay, so here's the IdeaToons, the cards we made up, and then we went through the exercise. So just to give you a couple, like this one right here is location, this is cleaning, disinfection, this one right here is equipment, these little guys are contamination, of course time, people, procedures, this is actually, this is actual production, and right here is the product we make. This one was added as we were going. They were talking about environmental monitoring, something that we do to test our equipment coming in. So they felt like that was a part of the process. So we put that in. Again, another part about being the idea agent is, you know, you're not saying no to them. You're promoting their creativity. So when they wanted to put something in, I let them, and then some of the ideas came out. Again, some good ideas came from these, and we'll be going over them during the screening and development phase.